Continuing on from the previous episode, in this episode we're going to look at creating the infrastructure of a Docker Swarm in DigitalOcean, or you could do this in a EC2 instance on AWS or anywhere else really. And from there, we'll install Portainer. And Portainer is really just a GUI management for the Docker Swarm, and it can also be used for just plain Docker or Kubernetes. And within this Portainer instance, we'll also deploy traffic, which we'll need to set up so that any requests that we are sending to this IP address, or rather this domain name, will get routed properly. And then we'll finally look at deploying our example application that we had created based on the previous episode's code. And if all goes well, then we should be able to launch our application, visit it, and we should get everything working properly. And again, as mentioned in the previous episode, I would really recommend doing this just for hobby projects. If you really just need a place where you're not expecting too much traffic, and you're also not expecting this to be production level deployments. And the reason why I say that is because under our example stack, we do have our Redis instance as well as our PostgreSQL instance up and running. However, it is running within Docker containers, and for production level applications or any kind of application that's generating revenue, you would more likely want to have these services like Redis or PostgreSQL hosted within one of the cloud services. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.